How much revenue should pop-up drink stands earn per hour to stay profitable? Most pop-up drink stands need to earn between $45 and $75 per hour to stay profitable, once you factor in ingredients, cups, ice, and the fee you pay for your spot. Think of it like this. Every hour your stand is open, you're paying for things even if nobody buys a drink, like the cost of the fruit, the sugar, the cups, and the little bit of money you gave someone just to set up your table there. So if your costs add up to about $20 an hour just to keep the stand running, you need to sell more than that just to break even, and anything above that is your actual profit. Here is something a lot of people do not think about. The real moneymaker is not the drink itself, it is how fast you can make it. A stand that takes 2 minutes to make a drink will always earn less per hour than one that takes 30 seconds, even if they charge the exact same price. That is why smart stand owners pre-make batches of syrup or tea the night before. So when a customer walks up, they are just pouring and handing it over, not measuring and mixing every single time. One big thing to watch out for is weather and foot traffic, because a slow hour can wipe out your profit from a busy one, so always track your sales hour by hour, not just for the whole day. Another thing people forget is spoilage, since fresh fruit and dairy-based drinks go bad fast, and throwing out unsold product is basically throwing out cash, so only prep small batches and restock as you go. Lastly, keep an eye on your permit and spot fees, because some locations charge more during busy events, and that can quietly eat into your hourly profit if you are not paying attention. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.